the earliest stage that, people think they are non-venture backable, but they can have users, they have traction. And also the next thing is, they want to test out if the direction of their MVP is right. Is it on track of achieving product market fit or not? This is what you can leverage from crypto users. They are very easy to onboard, but they're not sticky, to certain projects. So you can test out your product direction and validate your idea with crypto users. And the next stage, once you have, built a little bit more, that's going to be at the development and scaling stage. What you need to do with that at the time is you need to fast iterate towards product market fit. And your token holders, imagine if they back you and hold your token from the very beginning, they're going to be, the most loyal users. They know your product better than you do. This is something that what we found along the way. You don't need 100 users to help you to find a product market fit. You only need 10 users that know the product better than you do to help you to find a product market fit. And also they are incentive aligned with what you are building. And the third, once you have passed all the stages at the early stage startup, you're about to scale. That is, the best part of doing a crypto project. You have validated the product market fit, you have users, and now you can graduate from this crypto platform to go to the real world, to tap in the AI market, to have the referrals from, the friends of your crypto users who happen to be non-crypto users. So this is, what is the crypto advantages to accelerate AI, early stage AI projects, and what's the user behaviors of crypto can accelerate projects to find a product market fit. So another problem that we have found in crypto markets today is everything is just PvP. I don't know if you guys can relate to this or not. As long as some people are happy with making money, some people will be very unhappy because they have lost the money. So like I said in the beginning, crypto has always been strange to me, although I have been working in this industry for many years. Blockchain, we have seen early signs that it's hitting the massive adoption because of the policy, because of RWA, because of stablecoins, because of payment. So what it can do later on in the future is really, how we can bring AI revenue in real world to crypto users so they don't have to PvP, or crypto users as AI users so they can have more value added instead of just, trading against others around the world. So this is something like we feel like it's very interesting to us because, the market has been opened already. So we have seen so many IPOs and so many people, they start holding Bitcoin. They're all crypto-friendly market that we can tap into. And also users are increasingly tired of crypto native narratives because they know being crypto native means PvP for them. So like I said, we are dealing with a few problems and a few opportunities. Like the opportunities are, we have more and more early stage AI teams, and they will have their problems with infrastructure / development hurdles. They will need more on time and agile fundraising mechanism. Even some of them, they just need 100K to kick off this entire AI startup journey. And also we need to leverage the user behaviors in crypto to help them to find, the first batch of users. So we see a trend that we need a crypto or / AI version of Amazon. So what Amazon did for early stage vendors is they build out a suite of infrastructure. They have the reviewing system, they have the supply chain, they have the logistics and the warehousing, they have, other payment rail, etc. And also, more importantly, they have the traffic as a platform. If today you are building an early stage AI project, how are you going to test out? How are you going to validate a theory with 10 Twitter followers, right? So this is what Amazon is doing for early stage vendors. So we need such a solution in AI and crypto, just like what Amazon is doing for early stage vendors, but for early stage AI projects. And this is something that we feel like will be in great demand. So rather than for early stage projects to develop their own infrastructure, now at the early stage, no point for them to do so. They can just have this shareable infrastructure to fast iterate their product lifecycle. And also they don't need to travel around the world, network with different other people to raise their first round or first check to pay for, OpenAI or pay for someone else. They can literally just sit at home, from their laptop to raise, 10K or 100K. And everything will be fast paced and also agile and on time. So how we are doing here at Pond. So initially, for some of you who understand or who know about us, we started from developing a model competition platform, kind of like Kaigo, but for crypto. It's really because we were trying to leverage the nature of blockchain's on-chain data. So in Web2, all the data, they are probably owned by big tech like Google. So the time when you are finishing a competition as a developer, you won't be able to, commercialize your model because you basically just sold your models to Google or other big tech. But blockchain data is transparent, is owned by everyone. So the time when you finish developing a model, you still own the model and you can commercialize and monetize your model. So at that time, we worked with Ethereum Foundation, we worked with Gitcoin, we worked with pretty much all the big players in the market. But we feel like the thing is, we probably don't need too much financial engineering in crypto. So later on, but the good thing is we have developed a substantial amount of infrastructure along the way, from agent to model and to application development. And later on, we decided to open up to the market further. So what we are doing here today is we are building a all-in-one AI platform to solve the trust issue of the community, also the agile and on-time fundraising needs of early-stage startups for their first round. And also, we give them the shareable infrastructure for whatever the AI application they are developing. And also, more importantly, we give them the traffic. The traffic is what the early stage AI startups need the most. And also, we are building this internal circulation ecosystem to allow those applications to be plugged in to our API platform. So later on, other new AI projects, the time when they build such a thing, they can reuse some of the works built by others. So the whole point of us to build this platform is really to accelerate and to scale early stage AI projects until they find a product market fit. So really hope that, from our platform that one day we can have the next TikTok, not only just, the crypto native AI application, but real AI startup. So this is something that we're really pushing forward by hosting different hackathons and all that. So, it doesn't work. So yeah, so like I said, to summarize, early stage AI projects today, they have the infrastructural issue, the scalability issue, the iteration to product market fit issue, and more importantly, they need exposure. So that is what we are doing here. We are building the largest AI startup platform to support early stage AI startups from ideas, launch, and acceleration. So thank you so much for your time. And thank you, Erica, again for doing this.